Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to update the software on your Nintendo Switch. So all you need to do is just go to System Settings, then scroll down to the very bottom until you see System, tap on this one, then tap on System Update. Now your Nintendo Switch will check if an update is available. If you see this prompt right here, a system update is available, update now. That means that there is a brand new firmware for your Nintendo Switch. Just tap on Update, OK. And the process will start. Give it a little bit, it may take some time. However, if you see your system software is up to date or a message along those lines, that means that your Nintendo Switch is already on the latest firmware, therefore there is no need to update. Usually you'll be able to tell when you need to update your Nintendo Switch, because if you open a majority of applications, they will require you to update to the latest firmware. That's done for security purposes, because let's say there's a jailbreak or something like that for the older firmwares, and Nintendo will just release a patch. And what that means is if you're on the older firmwares, you can't connect to the games, which means that you can't, hack or something like that. So that's about it from me. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe for brand new. Check out my playlist on Nintendo Switch tips and tricks. It's on the end screens right now or in the description down below. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.